Thank you for your trust in Hualian machinery and purchased our inkjet pen sealer. Now let me introduce the basic installation and precautions when receiving the machine. After opening the box, firstly check whether the accessories are complete according to the pack list and whether the power cord is intact. Now we take out the machine, check the appearance. There is a yellow sticker about how to install the transmission shaft. In order to prevent machines from being affected during transportation, we will loosen the transmission shaft before shipment. As long as you follow the step, you can install it easily. Loosen the nut firstly. Insert the transmission shaft into the connecting shaft and fix the screw. The screw from the gearbox should be removed. Remove the screw when using the machine and reinstall the screw before transportation. Connect the power cord. Turn on the main switch, power switch, and emergency stop switch, then machine can work. Some customers cannot run the machine because the emergency stop switch is not turned on. Then comes to the step of heating up. Set the temperature controller to the suitable temperature. When the actual temperature is basically the same as the set temperature, machine can start to work. Now try one bag to see the effect. If the seal is not firm, adjust the temperature to be higher. And then try again after the actual temperature is reached. If the speed is too slow, you can rotate this knob to adjust. We need to adjust the temperature according to the bag thickness. Like a crepe paper bag, the temperature needs to be set between 200 to 300 degrees. For normal plastic bags, set to 150 to 200 degrees. For the thin bags, just set to 100 to 150 degrees. These parameters are just for reference and you need to test according to different bags. If this is the first time you use the inkjet pen sealer, please read the contents of the inkjet parts carefully before using the machine and then start work. Open the cover and remove the ink cartridge clip. Pinch the end and insert its nozzle along the track into the printer. Aim the nozzle of the ink cartridge at the nozzle hole of the printer. Push forward and the ink cartridge will be downward along the slope above the marbles. Press down on the tail and hear the sound. The nozzle is aligned parallel to the hole of the printer head and the ink cartridge is installed. Now open the inkjet printer. Direction: forward, backward, reverse and inverse can be selected. Trigger: electric eye only. Speed: the smaller the number, the faster the printing speed. Delay: the larger the delay, the later the printing position. The smaller the delay, the forward the printing position. Grayscale: adjust the font depth of color. The larger the number, the darker the color. Voltage: suggest to be set to 8.5. Pulse width: suggest to be set to 110. The main menus are File Edit. Click to edit a new file. File Selection. Click to select the internal file saved in the machine. Advanced Options: General and Printing Parameter Setting. Setting: General and Printing Parameter Setting. Start printing. After ink cartridge is installed, click to print. When printing is not required, click to stop. Above is the starting up video of our FRP-770. In addition, there are some cautions. The appropriate operation can greatly extend the machine life. Turn off the heater switch first and wait for 5 minutes before turning off the power, which can extend the life of the sealing belt. Check whether the gears are lubricated every 3 months. If not, please add grease in time. It can extend the life of the gear. In addition, check whether the carbon brush is warm. The normal size is 1.8 cm and it needs to be replaced once below 1 cm. The other one is here and the replacement method is same. Check whether the sealing belt has rough edges after using every time. If yes, please change in time. If the machine is not used for more than 20 minutes, the ink cartridge must be removed from the machine and covered with a clip. When the ink cartridge head is blocked, you can only wipe the head with tissue or alcoholic tissue. If it is normal, use tissue to press the head lightly and there will be 2 continuous thick lines. Do not use other diluents other than alcohol. Also cannot use alcoholic tissue to wipe other parts. The easy wearing parts are carbon brush, sealing belt, guiding belt. If any abnormal, please change in time. Okay, above is our FRP-770 operation procedures. Please save the manual and the certification to check the operation method and after-sales service. If you still have doubt, please call us. Our after-sales department will answer in time.